पेराग्लाइडिंनि थाखाय सलिड हिल्स गोइं आप हाजो गाखोबाय
बे बिलाइखौ जायो
नंगौ वा
गुरैथार बियो
मा बिलाइलाय ओइ माला इदि सफैयानोसैलाय मा you man see the view God oh my God see hills
Wherever we go.
wah wah take out our slippers yeah sandal khubsa mai gomakhै मोनबाय थाबाय नामा hey su dong फैदो sandal लादो wah see this side ओरैसो हाबनांगौ नै oh see how we are penetrating through the jungle see some plants with thorns
Wherever we go.
you have to penetrate like this hush wow
Wherever we go. We'll always know.
now we are going higher and higher now hiking through the jungle man yeah see we have to go through this like that yeah I have to take off the umbrella cannot go through like this side see why we are going thicker and thicker danger see here through which we have to penetrate now the hill starts from here see the thick jungle here tired also a little bit now we are scattered man our group is scattered now I don't know how far they have reached we are in the middle I'm alone
Wherever we go.
clear water नै हाजो दावखोहांबायलै सिंसो सिनायोना सिनायाथाय खोमसिल' एन्जर गुदुं बायदिसोलाय माथो नै वा आदै now right side is little plain and to our left side is the hill Indian hills ओइ आदै मा होनदोंमोनलाय हाजोनि नामा
yeah
औ सिपसिपि ओइ लेवाबाय ना आदै ए माथो बुंमानाय बायदि मोनदों ए we have to be careful of the leeches no लेवारखौ बिराद थाल लानांगौ डेन्जारसो जायगाया नै माबायदि बेंनानै थायो लामायाव नायसाय see how they are ready to attack see leeches बाबायलै बाबाय हनै go फैदो गाबाय नैसाय नै jungly leeches are very dangerous and here we got this river Madai Bilai Adai Madai
We'll always know.
wait oh get that Madai here Sipspi dai ada apa Sipspi dah oh see the big rocks see Roraro and we are having some photo shoots now with Adai and myself
Wherever we go.
yes ओरैबो दं नै बिसोर लकेलनि एक्सपार्ट बिसोरो बेरायनायाव या then फैयै finally we got this river in this Bhutan border which is very current and flowing from the Bhutan hills very current man ดูเคยเลยดิอะคิดดูน้าดงน้าขยะไปเดียวเลยถามกันเนี่ยว้าโอ้โหโหเฮ้ยมาละdi Sophia di sini malah di Sophia haya if you can come no this such kind of river and waterfall you will not get man you will not get like this oh what hey what are you doing bro hey what are you doing making video wow how's the place bro fantastic this side no wow
What a beautiful place.
amazing awesome really very awesome man
I like this place.
survey
New place.
survey no really very attractive place no
Monabili will be sit here.
Munabili next Munabili picnic events will be conducted here wow see man see how water is flowing wow really man enjoy see the place Chipi river man first time I have for me this is first time Chipi river oh you can sit here and we can sit here and relax also Oi, bro see how relaxed this place see you can sit here and relax
From the highest mountain to the bottom of the ocean, yeah. Our song is running like a river. Let the current take us
see
there.
the view
We've got the melody to set us free.
he is not tired of taking photos not tired of taking photos after seeing the view after reaching this place wow. and here is our group oi mabidi mengke Sofinan oi Bilipang bro mabidi mengke jaga mabidi ha Tigan dong da yes and this is he is our guide bro Soito or Soito he is our guide he is expert in this area he is taking us around गोजौबो हिट माथो मा दंफां खिथावनो हायो नामा आंला खिथावनो हानाय नामा
नैबेलाय खोदोमसो नै
खोदोम
रायदों दं ओमफ्राय औवा दं हनै हाजोनि औवा बुग्रा दंफां सेरफांबो दं हनै गोरलै
hey पिकनिकखौ बक्सो जाफैनांगौमोन जों perfect place man really hidden place hidden beauty होनोब्ला बेसोसै आरो जायगाया hidden beauty again now another hectic journey we have to clean up the jungles wow see road is very bad but if you reach the place really you will enjoy man really you will enjoy yeah see pop wait Bilai oh here came some wild pigs this area is for wild pigs man see wait oh my god see hills what a big leech man hey wait what dangerous man hey berita
नै बिजों बोरैसिम लामाया
नंगौ बै जों थांजा see our group नै one grasshopper नै gumareng see have you seen these days we don't find such kind of grasshopper man big one see hai gumareng मोनदों बिरखौ नायसै let it fly away नै माथो इदिसो बारबावनांगौ ओइ बौ मानदोंलै आङो लेवाव खोनामाखो अरबायथ' नै बोखानांगौ ना संख्रि होनांगौ संख्रिया हानबाय सोरनिबा सि ओइ र' दावखोबाय थोदो Hey, water also flowing and this is the road. Hey, दैसो थाबायनांगौ माथो. Hey.
Chalo.
Maya bro, what did you see? What did you see? Golden langur.
Nei. थाबाय राव खोनानानै.
Sabdोंमोन ना नुखादों? What an adventure man today. Uy. थाबायफेरबायाखैमोनलै इदि हाग्रायाव. Since it is rainy season, no, it is the jungle is getting thicker. For food. Bah. Photo. Hey, lamang gaya nahi. No way. We have to cut the butchers and make road, make the way to go. See. Wow.
खालामगोन बिसोर राव खोनानै सानदों.
Đây. Đâu đúng không?
Đây này bilaइखौ जायो.
Ngờ. Wow.
गोदैथार बियो.
मा बिलाइलाय?
दालियावबो होजायो. आलु लाब्राजों जाजायो.
आं जानायनि दे.
जानायनि.
मा नाम? These leaves can be.
बिफांखौ मैदेरा जायो नोगोद.
These leaves can be eaten. It seems jungly bush. This one from wild plant. No, this can be eaten. It seems. Today no. No. Something different taste, man. Menama aja bu menama. Oh. We are going up to the hills. Oh, mama, lewat bau nama. So, see. Goजौलै हाजाबो एसे. Oh.
Oh my god.
थाइदिर बिफां दं नैबेयाव. Oh, what is this? Oh, fruit. मेंहांबायलै एसे. Little bit tired now. So long distance, no? That is why. आदायाथ' मेङाखै ना मेंहांबाय? मेंबाय. माथो ओरै हाजो जाबाय दा इयो? लथ'ख'. Now we are going up to the hills, going up. हाजो गाखोबाय. बे इण्डियानिनोखा दा हाजोआ? Indian. Going up now. This is the hills of India at the border. Gar. Hey. We have to clear up the bushes like this. बेन्दों खालि बेन्दों.
लेवा बेन्दों आवालि. बिराद मथामथि.
To go through the bushes like this, we have to penetrate. See, very dark. दे बानायदो लामाया. We have one diversion this side. ओरै थांसै. See, very dark because very thick bushes, no? See. Hey, माथो खोमसि-खोमसिसै. Oh, heavy. Wah, माथो बेन्दों बेनला गोजा बलाय. Oh, मा बेन्दों इयो मा बेन्दों? मिथियो सोरबा? हाजोनि बेन्दों बे ने? फाग्ला बेन्दों. बे बेन्दोंखौ बाला आन्दायो थोद बारजानाय नङालै हाजोआथ' गोजौलै नै again we are going up we are on top of the hills now मांखोगासिनो दं
ओमफ्रायसो प्लेन मोननानै थांबाय ओमफ्रायसो नामायागासिनो
नैबेलाय थारजों बेन्दोंआ थारजोंनिया ओरैसो थांखो ना माखो ए बोख्लायदोलै जौद्रायबाय जौद्रायबाय लामा बोरै जाखो
लामाखौनो ओरै खालामनो जागोन ओरै खालामनो जागोन थांगासिनो आङो
गैया नै लामा गैया making the way by walking and cutting down मोनाखै ने आराबो
लांलाबायखो
थैबाय
ओमफ्राय दंनायालाय
नै हैट बिदि सारनांगौ आरो ने संख्रि दे सार दे नै ओइ इवन ओरैबो साररा ओरैबो सार we have to put the salt like this for the leeches बे हारसिं सिरिलांसिगोन दा it will fall by itself now हैट
Wherever we go, we'll always know.
जानोलै बुजिनो मोनाखिसै आं
From the highest mountain to the bottom of the ocean, yeah.
बेन्दों बेनला सिङाव
Our songs running like a river.
गंग्लायनानैसो हाबांगौ नै
Take us there. We've got the melody to set us free, singing destiny. We've got the melody to set us free, singing destiny.
सिगांदो आरो बाबलायबाय नै मानैखा ओइ संख्रिया सारदो नै माय गुडनेस And finally see the view. Oi, stick खिथानो गोरों जायगाखौ
मा हाग्रा इयो
होसाय
दे एसे गोजाननिफ्राय रा
बैयो मा जायगा आयु ग्रं ग्रं नै गाहायाव
मोथो फुथुसो माखो
see the view पेराग्लाइडिंनि थाखाय सलिड
बानायनांगौलै बेवहाय
बे मा बिफांलाय आखि नुबाय दा शै देरा माबादो
मबाइलआ सिगांदो
Wherever we go, we'll always know.
नि
गोग्लैनायालाय दे
From the highest highest mountain to the
Goglैफ्लाखानांगौ आरोखि गोग्लैयालाबो
ocean, yeah. Our song is running like a river. Let the current take us there. We've got the melody to set us free, singing destiny.
Wow, so quiet and calm. We can hear the birds chirping. See the view. Mèo nào? Mèo lấy mình giúp. See. My goodness. Very big one. Dangerous. Này này. Cứ gồng khạ.
Wherever we go.
Be careful.
런던 라마 나르기고 런던 라마 비 다이렉트 수간닥로 수이지
Nơi đi hải.
톰라 수간닥라이
Con thật là.
बेखौ बे थिनालि जागोन आरालि जंसन होननायखौहाय माने जंसन इयो ने बेवहाय डाइरेक्ट ओजों लांखाराव सुहैबाय बे डाइरेक्ट रन्जन लामा बेखौ रन्जन लामा होनो
सुखान थागले थांग्रा
दागलाव डाइरेक्ट सुहैखायो
ओरैला
ओमफ्राय बे डाइरेक्ट साहा जों दहाय
थांनाया बेरायनाया
जाहैबाय नैबेनिफ्राय लिम्बुटार हाजो गोलैबायो सिलावनि दारा
लिम्बुटार हाजो
औ
नैबे लामाजों थांला
औ साहानि लामाजों थांला ओमफ्राय सानजानिजों थांला सुखान थागलाय
आच्छा
दागलायहा ओमफ्राय नैबे जों दा थाबायनाया लांखार
Nobody has come here. We are the first people to come and roam around and capture such video just only for you.
Wherever we go. We'll always know.
Maथो गोथौ बे दैया
जानजि सिखांनाय माखासे
Oh, little deep one man. Wah, मा दैयो ओइ ओइ आसल मा इयो दैया
बे सिपसिपि
हा
सिपसिपि
सिपसिपि ए दे बादो दे सोखौ So we are going to cross and our hero will be on somebody's back.
इदिसो आरोखि
माथो लादोरा गोथौ जानजिसे खिबौ सिनो हागौ दैयाबो गुसु आरामथार माथो माबाया ओइ माथो गाहायाव हाब्रुसो ए ओरैहाय गोथौलै ओइ गुसु दैया We reach back and we are very much hurry to eat now. All are hungry no. Snake amlo matter. We are very much hungry. Please eat it. Mane mansipra jakhangbai nei this our buha bro is serving. Be danger mane ranai khudnai akha pakha. Now only we are going to eat and others already have finished eating. Batin, jai. I lead here in the bucket, iron bucket. I lead here. Pork. Mako. And now we have finished everything, eating and moving around in the jungle and hills, and now we are moving back fresher on the tractor. See, wow. Anyway, thank you everyone for watching this video till the end. See you in next video. Bye bye.